Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making one of the versions of red beans and rice that we eat at our house quite a bit. It's a side dish that we use all the time, and here's how I make it. So the first thing I do is brown off 3 or 4 pieces of our homemade bacon in the bottom of a heavy-duty pot. Once the bacon is browned and most of the fat is rendered out, I add in an onion. Sometimes I add some garlic and a chopped bell pepper, and I fry that down until the onion's just starting to get golden brown. At that point, I dump in some long grain rice, and I fry that in the fat and the juices from the onion and the pepper, just to coat the grains of rice and get the cooking started. After a couple of minutes, I add in some tomato paste, smoked paprika, cumin, and I stir that around for another minute or 2 just to make sure that everything is coated. And then I pour in some chicken stock. Salt. And a couple of bay leaves. And a can of kidney beans. And I use different beans depending on what's in the cupboard. Put the lid on and cook that on medium low to low for 10 to 15 minutes or until the rice is done. Take it off the heat, let it stand in the pot for 10 or 15 minutes. And of course, before I take it to the table, you take the bay leaves out so that no one gets one stuck in their mouth. And I really like this. And you can take this dish in so many directions and serve it with so many different things. I mean, chicken, shrimp, we'll serve it with a picadillo, depending on what kind of picadillo we're making. It's a very versatile side dish, and there's enough here that we can pack it for lunches for a couple of days. Absolutely fantastic, easy, quick side dish. Give it a try. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.